In this video, I will discuss one of the most important tasks in Home Assistant that you should do no matter what else are you doing there. Namely, this is the Home Assistant Backup and Restore. And I'm not talking about the regular backup procedure, but one that is on steroids and will allow you to automate that task and store your backups on another host, either on the local share or on Google Drive in the cloud. Coming up! What's up, Kirill Pejanskis here. The backup or former snapshot functionality of Home Assistant is almost perfect. However, there are several problems. By default, you have to trigger the backup manually. Also, the actual backup archive stays on the device where Home Assistant is. That is why it is a good idea to move your backups to another location, and what's better than a local share or Google Drive for that. That is why I'm going to show you how to backup and restore Home Assistant regularly and automatically on a remote host, so you'll be as safe as possible. And if there is such need, you'll be able to restore your Home Assistant in no time. Not as quickly as smashing the like button and subscribing for my channel with the notification bell, but anyways, let's start this. To accomplish the best possible Home Assistant backup, I'm going to use two Home Assistant add-ons: Home Assistant Google Drive Backup and Home Assistant Samba Backup. You can choose one of these methods, or if you want to be on the extra safe side, you can implement them both. I will start with the Home Assistant Samba Backup first, and then we will continue with the Home Assistant Google Drive Backup. I'll open the GitHub page of the Samba Backup Home Assistant add-on, and I'll copy the GitHub URL. Then I'll go to Supervisor, Add-on Store, and I'll click on the three dots menu, and I'll paste the URL that I copied. Home Assistant Samba Backup add-on work with Samba shares that require authentication by username and password, or allow guest access. But let's first install the add-on in our Home Assistant. I'll close this, and I'll refresh the page, and now I'll search for Samba. I'll have two add-ons, and the second one is the one that I need, the Samba Backup. I'll just hit install. Time to configure the Home Assistant Samba Backup add-on, so it will automatically run from now on. Get your local share credentials ready to use, and let's do this! After the Samba Backup add-on installation has finished, I have to change the configuration just a little bit. For that I'll use the help of the GitHub page again, but this time I'll get this example configuration that is below the installation instructions. I'll copy this and I'll replace the default configuration here. Next I have to change few things. The first one is the host name of my local share. This is the IP of the server where my local share is. The share option is the name of my share. In my case it's called home. And the target dir comes from target directory is /ha backup. Then I have to change the username that I'm using. In my case it's admin, and the password. Smash the like. Keep local means keep 5 local backups. Keep remote is the number of remote backups. Trigger time is 4 AM. Trigger days are every day of the week. Exclude add-ons and exclude folders. I don't want to exclude anything here, so I'll delete this text inside the brackets. And I think I'm ready, and I'll just hit save. Then I'll go back to Info tab, and I'll hit Start button, and then I'll go to the Log tab, and I'll hit refresh several times until I see that everything is green. Very nice! Samba Backup started successfully. That's what I wanted to see. The Home Assistant Samba Backup add-on includes a sensor for Home Assistant which reflects the backup status. No configuration is needed and you can use it right away. This is where you can find the sensor in the developer tools states sensor.samba backup. Hey, if you are new here, consider subscribing and don't forget the notification bell. Now let's continue. The current status is idle. I have 0 local and 0 remote backups, and last backup is never. Let's change that. The Home Assistant Samba backup is now up and running and everything is automated. But if for any reason you wish to run this manually, you can use the following script. I will go again to the GitHub repo and I'll open the documentation. And somewhere down I have manual triggers example. I'll copy this and I'll go back to the developer tools, but this time I'll choose services. I'll go to YAML mode. I'll place the text here with the one that I copied from the GitHub repo and I'll call the service. As you can see, the sensor Samba backup is now in running state, and after some minutes I'll have my backup stored on my local share, exactly what I wanted. However, there is a known limitation that the sensor will be unavailable if you restart Home Assistant. You can easily fix this by creating an automation that will restore the sensor after Home Assistant startup. The YAML code of the automation can be found in the GitHub again. Just explore there a bit and you will find it. Here it is actually. You just have to copy this in your automation.yaml and to reload the automations, and from now on, every time you restart your Home Assistant, the sensor will be working again. That was the Home Assistant Samba backup. Now it is time for the Home Assistant Google Drive backup. Please have in mind that when using the Google Drive backup method, your data will be uploaded on the Google servers somewhere in the cloud. In theory, only you will have access to it, but if at some point Google turns evil, they can get your secrets.yaml file, if you know what I mean. So, if you're afraid of such scenario, then go back and implement the local Home Assistant Samba backup that I already described. Otherwise, let's start the implementing of the Home Assistant Google Drive backup. The installation of the Home Assistant Google Drive backup add-on is pretty much similar to the previous one, but we will use a different URL this time. I'll copy the URL and I'll open my Home Assistant Supervisor. I'll store again, 3 dots menu, repositories. Now paste the URL here, then I'll hit add and I'll close this. I'll reload the page again and I'll search for Google. Here it is, Home Assistant Google Drive backup. I have documentation again and I'll just hit install. The Home Assistant Google Drive backup add-on is installed, but before we continue further, I just want to show you something. This is my first Samba backup on my remote local host. Everything is fine here. As you can see, this is the full backup from today. That means that my previous Samba add-on backup Home Assistant is working fine. Let's continue. I can go to configuration here, max backups in Home Assistant 4, max backups in Google Drive 4 again, days between backups. You can change these settings, but I think they are fine, they are self-explanatory, so I'll leave them like that. And I'll go to info and I'll start the add-on. Then I'll wait. The add-on is started very quickly and I can try to open the web UI. Very nice. It tells me about my current configuration, which I checked already. Click the Authenticate with Drive button to link the add-on with your Google Drive account. And I have a big blue button saying Authenticate with Google Drive that I'll hit. I'll select my account, I'll allow this and I'll hit continue. Here I'll copy the authorization string and I'll paste it in this field, then I'll click Save, and I'm ready. Let's take a look before we continue further. What we have here, share error reports with the developer. You can click yes or no. The next backup will be in 3 days, as we configured in the settings. The last backup is 25 minutes ago. That was the one triggered by the Samba backup add-on. Here it is. I have the free space available in my Home Assistant as well in my Google Drive. I have some settings here, but the recommended way to change the setting is from the add-on setting tab. I have logs, I have some actions to sync now, to backup now. Everything seems very fine. If you want to have both Home Assistant Samba backup and Home Assistant Google Drive backup at the same time, you can set days between backup to 0 in the Home Assistant Google Drive backup configuration. That will tell the Home Assistant Google Drive backup not to try to create new backups and to use and upload the ones that it finds. If I go back, and I'll go back to configuration again, I can change this to 0, and from now on I can use both the Samba local backup add-on and the Google Drive backup add-on simultaneously. Or you can restore on an existing Home Assistant installation by going to Supervisor, Backup, select any of the existing backups here and click Restore, or select Upload Backup from the 3 dots menu in the upper right corner. Click on the folder icon to navigate to your backup.tar file and select it. If the backup you are trying to upload is more than 1 GB in size, it can be faster and more efficient to use the Samba add-on in order to transfer the files to the backup directory. If this video was useful to you and you actually implement any of the methods described here, please show this off somehow. For example, by leave the hashtag #BackupOn text in the comments below. Of course, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and ding that notification bell, so you will be the first to know when I release a new video. If you want to see more videos created by me, check this how to update your Home Assistant as safe as possible tutorial or any of my playlists. Join my Twitter and follow me on Discord, or vice versa. Stay safe and remember, home smart but not hard. I'm Kirill and I'm done speaking.